Well, morning, Eagleville. We are but warriors of the working day. That's Shakespeare, folks. But boy, does it apply to this community. I see you out there, Eagleville. I see you. 4 birdwatchers from the Tennessee Valley Bird Watching Club were killed yesterday by birds. I suppose they were large birds large enough to kill a human or 4. Are there still eagles in Eagleville? And can an eagle kill a person? More details to follow, I suppose. Be careful out there, Eagleville. There's a new pottery shop on Main Street, Artisan Pottery. Not sure about the name. A little generic for my taste. I'd prefer, Millie's Pottery Shop and Cupcake Euphoria, or you know what I'm saying, just something folksy, to match Eagleville. But never mind, there's a new pottery shop on Main Street, and we need new shops. It's getting a little sparse on the storefront side of things these days. The new owners are from, I get you now. The new owners are from La Jolla, California. They make clay pots and, stuff made of pottery. And as I said, they're taking up another empty shop on Main Street. They got that California cash they're willing to lose, so good luck to them. The Rigsbys can't fill all them empty shops, so give the new owners a chance, Eagleville. Everything from California don't suck. And I wish I had an example. So maybe it's not what? I'm not sure what I'm reading here, but I'm just going to move on. Somebody wrote something not so nice. We don't do that here. That's not what we do. So next time I'm going to check the copy. Yeah, not that one either. What are you writing for me? I know you're not in the room, but you sent it to me. All right. Those of you who hate people and hate in general are running out of towns to move to. I guess that's the point this idiot was making. So just sit back and accept shit for what it is. Maybe even try to enjoy yourself. And just remember, the pain of parting is nothing to the joy of meeting again. I'll talk at you tomorrow.